Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you a way to access the paid bar replay feature in TradingView completely for free. Stay tuned as I walk you through the steps to unlock this powerful tool without spending a dime. To get the bar replay feature for free, you need to create a GoCharting account. First, open Google and search for GoCharting. Click on the official GoCharting website. Once you're on the site, find and click on the Create Account option. Now, sign up by entering your name, email, and password. After completing the registration, log in to your new account to proceed to the next step. After logging into your GoCharting account, click on the Pricing button. This will show you the different subscription plans and help you see exactly what features you're getting for free, including the bar replay option. Now you can freely use the bar replay option on different timeframes without any cost. Enjoy analyzing market movements just like in TradingView's paid feature.